What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken jalapeno popper crunch wrap. It's going to be awesome.
Okay.
So, another thing, when we ring the bell, we grab whatever beverage we happen to have around us and we take a sip. Welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show. Here we go. Awesome video. I'd love to see a lot more of Bruce, Todd, and Nathan, and less CJ. CJ's great cook, filler airtime is sub-optional.
So this guy appreciates brevity.
Right
down the gut.
Right down the old guts. This is really good. Ooh, there's some heat.
Yeah, it is a jalapeno popper quesadilla. Voodoo that you do.
You do.
Yeah!